Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the important days of the year which is helpful for your all competitive examination. So let's begin. Let's begin from January. Which are the important days in January comes? 1st of January, Global Family Day. 4th of January is World Ballet Day. 9th of January is NRI Day, Pravasi Bharati Divas. 10th of January, World Hindi Day. 12th of January, National Youth Day. 13th of January, Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti, and 15th of January, Indian Army Day. Now let's move ahead. 23rd of January, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. 24th of January, National Girl Child Day. 25th of January, National Voters Day, National Tourism Day. 26th of January, India's Republic Day, International Custom Day. 27th of January, International Day of Commemoration. January last Sunday was World Leprosy Day, and 30th January was Martyrs Day, yani Shahid Divas. So let's move on to February. Let's see how many important days are there in February. 1st February, Kalpana Chawla death anniversary. 2nd February, World Wetland Day. 4th February, World Cancer Day. 6th February, International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation. Now 7th of January is Safer Internet Day, second day of second week of February. 10th February, World Pulses Day, नेशनल डी वार्मिंग डे बोला जाता है. 11th फरवरी, इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ वुमेन एंड गर्ल्स इन द साइंस, थॉमस एडिशन बर्थ एनिवर्सरी. 12th फरवरी, इंटरनेशनल डार्विन डे, नेशनल प्रोडक्टिविटी डे बोला जाता है. 13th फरवरी, वर्ल्ड रेडियो डे और नेशनल वुमेन्स डे. 14th फरवरी इज वैलेंटाइन डे. नाउ 20th फरवरी इज वर्ल्ड डे ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस. 21st फरवरी इज इंटरनेशनल मदर लैंग्वेज डे. 24th फरवरी, सेंट्रल एक्साइज डे. 28th फरवरी, नेशनल साइंस डे. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द मार्च. लेट्स सी what are the important days in the month of March. 1st of March, Zero Discrimination Day, इसको और बोला जाता है वर्ल्ड सिविल डिफेंस डे. 3rd of March is वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ डे और नेशनल डिफेंस डे. 4th of March is नेशनल सिक्योरिटी डे. 8th of March is इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे और वर्ल्ड किडनी डे. 10th of March is CIs of Raising Day. 11th of March is Commonwealth Day. 15th of March is World Consumer Rights Day. 16th of March is National Vaccination Day. 18th of March is Ordnance Factories Day or Global Recycling Day. 20th March is World Happiness Day or World Sparrow Day also. Now 21st March is World Forestry Day, or it can be called International Day of Elimination of Racial Discrimination or World Down Syndrome Day. 22nd March is World Water Day. 23rd March is World Meteorological Day. 24th March is World TV Day. 25th March is International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and Transatlantic Slave Trade. 27th March is World Theatre Day. Let's move on to April. Let's see what are the important days in the month of April. 1st of April is Prevention of Blindness Week. 2nd April is World Autism Awareness Day. 4th of April is International Day for Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action. 5th of April is National Maritime Day. 7th April is World Health Day or Handloom Week. 7th April is also called World Handloom Day also, है ना. 8th April World Radiation Day. 10th of April World Homeopathic Day. 11th April National Safe Motherhood Day. 17th April World Hemophilia Day. 18th April World Heritage Day. 21st April Secretaries Day. 22nd April International Earth Day. 23rd April World Book and Copyright Day. 24th April National Panchayati Raj Day, and 29th April is International Dance Day. Now let's move on to month of May. Let's see what are the important days in the month of May. 1st of May is International Labor Day or Maharashtra Day. 3rd of May is Press Freedom Day. 1st of May, first Sunday is World Laughter Day. 1st Tuesday is World Asthma Day. 2nd Sunday is Mother's Day. Now let's see more number of days in this month. 4th May is Coal Miners Day or International Firefighters Day. 7th May is World Athlete Day. 8th May is World Red Cross Day or Mother's Day. 8th May is World Thalassemia Day. 11th May is National Technology Day. 12th May is International Nurse Day. 15th May is International Day of Family. Now let's move ahead. 17th May is World Telecommunication Day, World Hypertension Day also. 18th May is World AIDS Vaccine Day. 22nd May is International Day for Biological Diversity. 24th May is National Commonwealth Day, and 31st May is Anti-Tobacco Day. Now let's move on to in the month of June. Let's see how many days are important days in the month of June. 1st June is World Milk Day 4th June is International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggression. 5th June is World Environment Day. 8th June is World Ocean Day. And 3rd Sunday of June is Father's Day. Now let's move on to another. 12th of June is Anti-Child Labor Day. 14th of June is World Blood Donor Day. 20th of June is World Refugee Day. 21st of June is the International Yoga Day. 26th of June is International Day Against the Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Now let's move on to month of July. Let's see what are the important days in the month of July. In the month of July, the 1st of July is Doctor's Day. 6th of July is World Zoonosis Day. 11th of July is World Population Day. 17th of July is International Nelson Mandela Day. 28th of July is World Nature Conservation Day. Now let's move on to month of August. Let's see what are the important days in the month of August. 1st to 7th of August is World Breastfeeding Week. 1st Sunday of August is International Friendship Day. 6th of August is Hiroshima Day. 9th of August is Quit India Day or International Day of the World Indigenous Peoples. Now let's move ahead. 11th of August is National Daughters Day. 13th of August is Organ Donation Day. 15th of August is Indian Independence Day. 19th of August is Photography Day. 21st of August is World Senior Citizen Day. And 29th of August is National Sports Day. What are the important days in the month of September? 1st of September is National Nutrition Day. 2nd of September is World Coconut Day. 5th of September is Teachers Day. 8th of September is International Literacy Day. 15th of September is Engineers Day. 16th of September is World Ozone Day. And 21st of September is Alzheimer Day. Now 22nd of September is Rose Day, Welfare of Cancer Patient. Last Saturday of September is World Rivers Day. 26th of September is World Contraception Day. And 27th of September is World Tourism Day. 29th of September is World Heart Day. Now let's move on to October. What are the important days in the month of October? 1st of October is International Day for Elders. 2nd of October is Gandhi Jayanti on International Day of Non-Violence. 1st Monday of October is World Habitat Day. 4th October is World Animal Welfare Day. 8th of October is Indian Air Force Day. 9th of October is World Post Office Day. Now next move on to 10th of October is World Mental Health Day and National Post Day. 10th of October is World Sight Day. 11th of October is International Day for Girl Child. 13th of October is International Day for Natural Disaster Reduction. 14th of October is World Standard Day. Now 15th of October is World Students Day or World White Cane Day. 16th of October is World Food Day. 24th of October is World Development Information Day or United Nations Day also. 30th of October is World Thrift Day. To November, let's see what are the important days in the month of November. 5th of November is World Tsunami Day and also National Ayurvedic Day. 7th of November is National Cancer Awareness Day. 9th of November is Legal Service Day. 11th of November is National Education Day. 14th of November is Children's Day, also called Diabetes Day. 17th of November is National Ellis Day. 20th of November is African Industrialization Day. 21st of November is World Television Day. And 29th of November is International Day of Solidarity with Palestinian people. Now we come to the December. Let's see what are the important days in the month of December. 1st of December is World AIDS Day. 2nd of December is National Population Control Day. 3rd of December is World Day of Handicapped. 4th of December is Indian Navy Day. 7th of December is Indian Armed Force Flag Day. 10th of December is Human Rights Day. 11th of December is International Mountain Day. 18th of December is World Energy Conservation Day. 16th of December is Vijay Diwas. 18th of December is Minorities Rights Day. 22nd of December is National Mathematics Day. 23rd of December is Kisan Diwas. 24th of December is National Consumer Day. And 25th of December is Christmas and also Good Governance Day. So that's all in this section. We have covered almost all the important days of in a calendar year. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share so that we will try to bring more and more new stuff in the coming days. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Stay safe home.